everyone, this is Teacher Kaye and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about 8 first day of class activities which are subject-based, which means it includes games specifically for the following subjects: mathematics, sciences, English, physical education, and the arts. Throughout this video, you will see icons to show what category will these games fit in. Categories such as distance learning, face-to-face classes, or hybrid or mixed classes. By the way, all the templates that will be mentioned in this video are available in my Teachers Pay Teachers shop, linked in the description box down below for you to check out later. Let's start. Number 1, the boat is sinking mathematics edition. We are all familiar with the game The Boat is Sinking. We know that this is where the captain will say, "The boat is sinking, group yourselves into 2, 3, or 4, or even more." But here's the twist. Instead of giving the number up front, the game master will ask the students to solve it first. Truly, mathematical skills will be needed here. This way, the teacher will have a pre-assessment of the skills that the students have already mastered or will need to master in the class. Here are some samples from my template. Alright, all you have to do is prepare the template for this game and flash it onto a screen. By the way, this template has various categories from simple or easy to complicated mathematical levels. Plus, good news, this template is also editable in Google Slides or PowerPoint. You can modify it depending on the difficulty level or the skills that you want to check for your class. Number 2 is Venn diagram. Randomly assign your students into groups of 3. You can make use of this template where it will show you a Venn diagram of 3 overlapping circles. Each circle represents the interest of each student. Thus, each group will have to fill in those circles with things about themselves that are alike and different. Those things that they have all in common will go in the section where all the circles overlap. Where only 2 circles overlap, that is where they will place the things that are common for 2 students only. Things about the individual students that are different or unique go in the parts of the diagram that do not overlap at all. Once everyone is done, compare the Venn diagrams from one group to the next. Number 3 is Science Scavenger Hunt. Create a list of clues that describe several scientific objects that are found within the room. Divide the participants into small groups for the scavenger hunt. This icebreaker allows each participant to value teamwork, get to know each other, and learn more about scientific terms. Don't forget to give the groups a set amount of time to accomplish the scavenger hunt. At the end of the time period, gather all the groups and compare their answers. Number 4 is Science Pictionary. This is a typical Pictionary game where it will have to draw the scientific term on a whiteboard. Based on the drawing, the participants will then guess what the scientific word is. In my own template, I have divided the scientific terms or words into science branches such as physics, chemistry, and biology. Oh, by the way, for distance learning, you can actually share the whiteboard via Zoom and ask it to draw the scientific word there and ask everyone to participate via chat or let them unmute their mic to answer. Number 5 is positive, negative, and crazy. As a teacher, all you have to do is write a discussion topic on the board, such as food, pets, social media, or movie. Once you're done writing the discussion topic on the board, you can then start passing a ball from one student to another. As the students pass the ball around, they should stop the moment they hear you say positive, negative, or crazy. When you say positive, the student holding the ball must stop and make a positive statement about the topic. For example, if the topic is food, their statement should sound like, "My favorite fast food chain is Jollibee." But if you say negative, the student will again then stop and make a negative statement about food, such as, "I've never eaten Chinese food." And if you say crazy, they can say anything they like, such as, "One time I ate the whole pizza myself." So if you're asking how can you adapt this activity in a virtual classroom, no problem. Instead of passing around a ball, which you can't, all you have to do is go to wheelofnames.com, still linked in the description box down below. There, you will see a virtual spinner, and all you have to do is type in all of their names before you start the game. Number 6 is class story. Once upon a time, the teacher says, and then the teacher randomly calls a student to continue the sentence. The next person provides another sentence to continue the story, and keep going until everyone gets a chance. Number 7 is the fruit salad game. Form a large circle and sit down. Each player is assigned one of the following fruits. It could be bananas, grapes, oranges, apples, and pears. The teacher will stand in the middle of the circle and call out one fruit. All players who are assigned that fruit will stand up, run around the circle, and sit down in their original spot. The last player to make it back to his or her original spot will have to do a silly dance or exercise in the middle of the circle itself for 5 seconds. Oh, by the way, when the facilitator shouts fruit salad, then everyone will have to stand up and run around the circle and go back to the original spot. To make it extra fun, you can allow the last student to call out the next fruit. Here are some ways that you can revise this game or rep it out. You can have the easy round, which is they can walk around the circle or power walk around the circle instead of running. Or you can change it to medium round, which means they side shuffle around the circle. Or they can have the hard round, which means they can crab walk around the circle. Number 8 is blind artist. By pair, one of the students will be blindfolded and hailed as the blind artist. The other student will see the piece of art that the blind artist would have to imitate. The other student should not touch the hand of the blind artist. He or she will only describe the piece of art to the blind artist and wait till the teacher would announce to everyone that it's time to stop. You can check out my templates or patterns available in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Again, all the templates mentioned in this video are linked in the description box down below. Which is your favorite activity? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week for more exciting contents. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!